you have an Android phone, then I'm sure you have to watch this video till then because I'm going to share you a few apps that you must have on your Android smartphone. Watch this video till then. Sometimes the song that you really love will only be available on YouTube, and to play that song with your screen off, you might need YouTube Premium. But with this app called as Black Screen, you can now turn off your screen completely and listen to your favorite song or podcast on YouTube without having YouTube Premium. It's very simple. Open the app and there'll be a floating lock icon which if you tap, your screen will be turned off. And now you can start listening to the songs or the podcast without having YouTube Premium. And to unlock your phone, you have to simply tap on the screen and unlock it and you're good to go. With this Black Screen app, you can turn off your screen and listen to your favorite song or podcast without having YouTube Premium on YouTube. Taking screenshots of long websites is a hassle, but with Screen Master, it's now very easy. Just as easy as subscribing to my channel. Subscribe because it helps me create better videos. Screen Master is an application which lets you to take long screenshots of very long websites. How? It's very simple. Open the app and tap on the power icon to activate the app. After activating, there'll be a floating icon which you have to keep in your mind while you use the application. Now navigate to the website which you have to take a screenshot, tap on the floating icon and now choose Stitch. Now by tapping on the plus icon, it will slowly scroll the web page and take screenshots one by one. After it's done, it will stitch all the screenshots which it took before and make it into one, thus creating a very long screenshot. Volume panel on Android is pretty much boring because it's been the same since the last two Android updates. But now, with this app called as Custom Volume Panel, you can now customize your volume panels in a lot of ways. How? After going into the app, there'll be an icon called as skins. If you click that, you will find a lot of free as well as paid volume panel skins which you can apply and enjoy. As soon as you choose your favorite one, it will be applied and now you can see your customized volume panel is applied. It's very simple and easy and I'm sure you guys will love it. Now, if you are in a public place searching for Wi-Fi, like for example in a railway station or in a shopping mall, you'll be very confused on which place is the correct spot for getting good internet. But with this application called as Wi-Fi AR, you can connect to your favorite Wi-Fi and search for the best spot which has the strongest signal. It's very simple. It's an augmented reality application, so it's fun too. So after going inside the app, connect to a Wi-Fi and then point your camera towards the place where you are. It will start showing the best spots where the signal is very strong. You can just simply go to that spot and enjoy using high-speed internet instead of roaming here and there for searching the best signal for you. This app is not only very useful but also very fun to use because it's augmented reality application. Look at this app. It is just a normal calculator app, right? Well, you are wrong. It is not just a calculator app, but it is a hidden vault application with which you can hide your documents and your photos completely private. The app's name is called as Calculator Lock. It's basically an calculator application which has a hidden vault inside it. When you open the app for the first time, you have to set it up with a 4-key passcode with which you can access your hidden vault or your hidden space. And after setting up all those stuff, now if you open the app, it will seem like a normal calculator app, but only until you type the passcode and tap on the equal to button, which will open a hidden vault with which you can actually save your documents and photos secretly. It is a cool application for people who have a lot of things to be kept privately. So there you have it. These are some of the applications that you must have if you have an Android smartphone. And comment down your favorite application in the comment section below. And as always, like this video if you really enjoyed it and share this video with all of your friends and family because it is very useful. I repeat, it's very useful. And you know the drill. Subscribe because it makes me create better and better content and also it supports me. It's a very simple process. Just go down, click the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get notifications so that whenever I upload any videos, you will get a notification. So yeah, this is me Arnav signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.